Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Vivo Y72 5G and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open the contact list and find the contact you would like to edit. Now let's tap on edit contact and pick this camera icon right in the middle. As you can see here, we've got two different options from which you can choose. So we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you. Or you can simply choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. As you can see here, you can decide where you want to complete this action. So you can use the albums or Google Photos. I will pick the albums always. Of course, you have to agree to all of the permissions if you're opening the gallery for the very first time. And now let's find the photo we would like to set and tap on it. And right now you can decide where you want to complete the section. So you have to crop the picture. You can use the albums or Google Photos, and this time I will pick Google Photos because why not? And as you can see, from this step we can adjust the size, the position of this square and the photo, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area, highlighted area, is responsible for it. So you can zoom in or out the photo also. It's really up to you how you want to set it. You can rotate the picture, so just have fun with this section. And if you're happy with your choice, with the results, just tap on done. Remember to tap on save in the right upper corner, it's very important. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to the contact, and after getting back you will be also able to see it on the contact list and whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Vivo Y72 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.